Paul's Party Truck 2015, the wickedest session down the road.
These streets overflowing, can't find me way. They see our wine for the entire day. Don't care where I'm going, know what I say. Waiting for the right time to break away. It's maximum vibes even when I'm alone. And I think to myself, well, this is home sweet home. So don't even try to stop me. I know you just doing your work there, but don't tell me nothing about waiting. Come when I reach on the stages.
Why not something? Play a mass. Why not something? Bump a bass. Why not something? Play a mass. Why not something? Bump a bass.
Every day is sweat, I come out to better fetting more than you. It's sweat, I come out to sweater, wetter, sweating more than you. I come to wine and jam and I'm sure to catch it more than you. Cause when I'm fetting, of course, I just do it like a boss. I'm fetting morning and evening. This is my home, I'm not leaving. I can't get over this feeling.
Paul's Party Truck 2015.
Now give me when you push back that thing hard and answer my fantasy. Girl, your body looking good and you put me in a mood. When you wine so good, yeah. Then she ball out, oh Lord. She grab on me thing like, oh Lord. And then I give she the thing like, oh Lord. I mash up the place and you know you're whining good. She ball out, oh Lord. Just give me some time now, oh Lord. She want me stop down the wine now, oh Lord. But you're something feeling good. I know. And she ball, hola, 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 hola. She ball, hola, 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 hola. She call me name. She ball, hola, 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 hola.
Soca just give me powers. Yeah, drink me rum and share with others. Fed for hours, soca powers. It's a wonderful feeling to share with others. All my brothers and all my sisters. Today we making we name. Cause we party in sun or rain. We don't care what the people say. Once the